Well, hello, it is Malia with MaliaHoran.com, and today I want to share with you some information about WordPress, basic information about how to get started after your blog is built, how to get started posting, and just a walkthrough around the WordPress dashboard. So I'm going to share my screen with you, and you can go ahead and just kind of look over my shoulder and see what is going on. So hold on one moment while I share my screen. Okay, so I'm hoping that you can see my screen now, and you should be seeing the inside of a WordPress dashboard. So before I've already logged in, but let me actually log out so that we can start from the very beginning. Okay, so when you get started and you go to your login screen, it should look like this. And you want to type in your username and password to get in. And as soon as you log in, this is what you see, the dashboard. Now, I just want to walk you through the back end here so that when you go to post on WordPress, you know exactly where to go and do the things that you need to do. So here's the dashboard. We're going to walk down the left side here. Here you have posts. What posts are is actually blog posts. So if you want to post something on your blog, you'll actually go here to posts and then down to add new and go ahead and post. And it's very similar to Microsoft Word. And this is one of my team members' blogs, and I have actually the first blog post here. So let me get it. I'm going to copy and paste it. And so you'll title it, this is the very first post in this blog, so I'm going to just title it, Welcome to I So that's the name of his blog. And once you get your title, everything can be edited, but once you get your title and your content in, you can go ahead and click Publish. And it really is that simple. And while it publishes, we're going to go ahead. I actually have to delete a blog post. So when your WordPress first gets installed, you're going to have some sample posts in there. It says Hello World, and you can go ahead and delete that post. It's just a kind of a sample that WordPress throws in there. But once it's done, once you have something on there, you don't need it anymore. Okay, so then we can go and actually view that post, see what it looks like. And there it is. This actually has my name in it because I am logged in as a user right now. But once Brett logs in, we'll make sure that the post is assigned to him. So don't worry about that. Anyways, So next, so that's posting. It's really that easy. One thing that you can do really quickly is add, if you want to add images. I usually add an image at the beginning of my post. And to do that, I put my cursor there and click Add Media. And here we don't have any images yet, so I would upload one from my computer. I have one of Brett in a sound studio, looks like. So I'm going to put that in just for sample purposes. Actually, we have this one that we use. So, and make sure that you, for optimization purposes, you put in a title and a description in alt text. So I'm going to just put in his name right here, and then I'll copy and paste it to these. I don't want this to link to anything, so I'm actually going to align it left because I want it to be on the left side of the blog post. I don't want to link it to anything right now, so I'm going to select none there, and then a medium size is fine. So that's kind of, so since I made a change, I'm going to update it.
Madison's hungry. She wants to come to me.
And you can go ahead and view the post, see what you've done. So that's what the first post looks like. Very cool. If we go to the home page, we'll see the first post right here on the home page. Hold on one moment. Yes. Okay, so I'm back here. Sorry. It's summer break and my kids are home. Okay, so anyways, the post is there, so that's done. Very easy. Next, I want to show you media, okay? Your WordPress dashboard or your WordPress has room for media files, and that's where all of your images are uploaded. So if you go over here to the library, you can see some of the images that we already have in there, but if you want to upload an image, you simply add new and you upload the image just like you would with any other uploader. You can drop files or select files. It's very easy. Usually when you're adding media to your content, it's going to be very similar to how I just showed you, where you click on the little tab and you can just upload it directly into your post. Here are pages. Pages are different than posts because pages are permanent. So if you see here we have an about me, a work with me, and a contact. Those are all pages. So those are going to stay there all of the time. So anything that you want to be a permanent fixture on your blog would be considered a page. I don't think I have anything in here right now, but one thing I am going to ask Brett to do is to put all of his information in here. And you know, you can include an image or whatever it is to enhance that page, but make sure that all of the information on the pages is filled out, because I know for me personally, I was just looking at my blog and I'm seeing a lot of traffic in my About, Work With Me, and my Tools and Resources pages. So one thing I'm going to do later today is make sure those are up to date with current information. So make sure that you fill out these pages um, and do it to your best of ability. So right now, don't worry about the form. I will create a form for you so that people can submit their information if they have a question. So, but About Me and About Me and Work With Me, make sure that those are filled out. Okay, so once you start getting traffic to your blog, you're going to start getting comments. And this is where the comments will be found. And you'll be able to go into your comments and approve them if you want to, or trash them if they're spam, or whatever the case may be. So that's what's there. That's your contact form. I'll go create a contact form for you, but it's actually pretty simple. You can create a form and then you just embed the code and it will go on your site. This is the theme that we're using. This is Optimized Press. There's nothing really there that needs to be changed. Appearance. So here in Appearance, you're going to see one very important aspect of your blog, and that is widgets. What widgets do is they enhance the functionality of your blog. So if we want to have, let's say, some links here on your sidebar, we would add some widgets here to the sidebar, and that would give us the functionality of the links that we want to include. So for instance, let me see if there's a quick one where I can just kind of show you, like search here. If we just wanted to give people the opportunity to search our site, we could add a search box there, title it search, and save. When you refresh over here, you're going to see the search box, and that's what we just put there. So that now you have the search functionality on your website. So I'm actually going to remove that. Well, maybe I could put it underneath there for now because we want our form to be the first thing that people see so that they put in their name and their email address. So I switched that, and it's really simple. All you have to do is refresh to see the changes. And now it's below. So very cool. So if someone's looking for a review or any content on your site, they can simply search there. And we'll work on that sidebar so that it has everything that is needed there. Okay, so that's widgets. Plugins, again, enhance the functionality of your site. We already have some plugins installed, but as your blog grows, you will, add and delete plugins as necessary. So WordPress SEO is a really important plugin that helps you with on-page optimization on your website. Shareaholic helps, gives people the opportunity to share your content. Pretty Link Light is a wonderful link shortener that's awesome, awesome, awesome. So a lot of different things. Google Sitemaps also for optimization. So some of these, every plugin has a purpose, and it's to enhance your site. And there's a lot of things going on here with the plugins that allow your site to be found on search engines and shareable for your audience. So that's plugins, and it's really easy to add them. You just click Add New, and you search for the plugin that you're looking for or for the functionality that you're looking for. There's a huge database, and the plugins here are free. So users, you shouldn't have any users. I myself am a user because I created the site, but otherwise there's no need for people to have users. Your settings. So a couple things. You'll want to change your site title to whatever it is that you do. So I'm going to change this to helping others succeed in network marketing. And, well, actually, we can put it here where it says just another WordPress site. We have, let's change this. And save the changes. So where it did say I am Brett Quintine, just another WordPress site, when we refresh, it's going to say something different. Brett Quintine, helping others succeed in network marketing. So that's kind of a little thing, but it is really important when it comes to search engine optimization. So we want to make sure that we can do everything that we can to allow the site to be searchable and found in search engines. So little things like that help. You can go through the settings. Everything is pretty much set up. If you going on to permalinks here, what a permalink is it is the actual URL that appears here when you post. So it's really important to have the permalink settings set to post name. Okay, so make sure that's clicked and save. One thing you do want to do is go to Akismet. It's a plugin that helps with spam, because now that your site is open to the world, you're going to get a lot of bots and a lot of spam that comes to the site. So you want to make sure that Akismet is set up, okay? And you can just click on Akismet and then go through the settings. And I think for the most part, some things do need to be set up. Thank Me Later. Thank Me Later is a plugin that will email somebody automatically when they comment on your blog. So make sure that, like, if you go here, you can set it up. However you want. And you can have whatever words you want there. And you can set it up so that it sends 30 minutes after, hours, weeks, whatever it is, and save. So it's really cool, just to get people to drive traffic back over to your blog. So anyways, this is the dashboard. All you really need for right now is to post. And so go ahead and post your first post and get it out there. One thing we can cover next time is the on-page search engine optimization. So once you start creating content that you want to be found in the search engines, it becomes really important to optimize your content. So that's what we'll do next time. I'll teach you how to optimize your content to be able to be found in search engines. So hopefully, let me go off of screen share. So hopefully this walkthrough was beneficial. I hope that you learned something, that you feel more confident about logging in and posting. It is really, really easy, and for me, it's something that I do every day because blogging is my main source of traffic and my main marketing strategy. And if you want to integrate my blogging into your marketing, then I definitely encourage you to log into your dashboard, start posting, start with one post, and just start writing. And make sure that you click update as many times as makes you happy, because if you move away from your post, it will get deleted. So update, 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 and make sure that you save everything and have fun blogging. Thank you so much for joining me for this short hangout. Again, I hope that you got some value out of it, and I hope that you go create blog posts and begin to share your message with the world. Bye for now.